Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're doing an unboxing. Today I bought the PS4 camera, right? For PS4. So this is Trinidad global gamer. You can subscribe. I do a lot of gaming, a lot of streaming. But today we're opening a package and that will have a new addition to the PS4, which is the PS4 camera. So this was 650. I bought it in Gulf City, Laramine, right? So PlayStation camera, right? So I can see full works everything. You can see on it here, you have like the see Sony Computer Entertainment LCC, which means you know that it is the original because there are a lot of fakes out there, right? And here there's the code on it made in China, right? So before you open, you see you got the little plastic tab at the top here, right? Hanger from the store. Thus, you've got two oval shaped half circle tapes that are adhesives that are taped on, right, to the top part of the cardboard, right? As you can see in the back here, we have like the information of the setup, the PS4 camera, right? And you see the PlayStation camera. Broadcast yourself in play with PlayStation camera. Become community sensation by adding picture in and picture video of yourself. We will see that in a stream video when I do set it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open the package. Right? So we're gonna start by removing these two oval shape adhesives at the top. Okay, to unbox. So to unbox what I'm doing here, I'm gonna use a knife, right? As you can see, the got that sharp on the blade. Do use safety. You can use a scissors, you can use like a pocket knife, but do has parent supervision when you are doing this unboxing. Alright, so I'm gonna take the knife, I'm gonna cut here, a little bit slippery, right? So you go gently in, into the crease, right? See into the crease there? Ah, that's it. So you put the sharp object away, then pull from the back up. Alright, it pops open. So you're still seeing this plastic piece. Remove the two side flaps and get ready for it. We hold the plastic holder and we extract the PS4 out of its case. Here it comes. Oh my, it's so good. So we've got a casing over the PS4, right? In the shape and the mold, just like how the PS4 controllers come. So we're gonna remove this, right? So you can see it's the mold, right? The mold of the console, right? And now we've got the PS4. So you gotta be gentle. It's kind of keyboard. So here's what we got, people. Not much, right? So we've got the PS4 camera, very slick, very clean, right? The two cameras at the top, right? We've got the cable that's connected to it, the USB under some, a little protective case, and you see the USB is by Sony, right? That's why it's required to be bought. You can't use a normal webcam or normal dash cam. You've got to use a PS4 camera to enable camera features or webcam features on your PS4. So it's a Sony, right? That's why it's specified only Sony products are allowed to work on PS4. Mostly some third-party devices do work, but usually it's better to buy Sony than to buy a product and it fails. And you have a great loss on your wallet. So not only this we've got, so for safety purpose, I'll put it back. Right, easy, my friend. Okay, so we have it nice tucked away. Now I think we've got a manual, right? How to set up the PlayStation 4 camera. We've got a manual. Okay. Next up we've got oh, I believe I got the stand. Also, you got a stand of this, right? So you can see this is Sony's. PlayStation flexible, right? So what you can do this time, I think you connect it here with the little buttons at the bottom, and I think with yeah, I think yeah, there's a slight adhesive underneath here, right? So in case the adhesive runs out in the future, you could always put like some mounting tape, get it sticky again, to stick underneath. But I doubt when you put this on the camera mount this, doubt you taking it off. So as you can see, we have a flexible part here. One, two, three, with two panels, right? So you can curve this now around your television, right? Like how a no webcam has a stand, so that your PS4 camera can stay sturdy. You could also add like a little bit of adhesive at the back, right? So hold the position so it doesn't fall, or you can add it at the front of your television set at the bottom of the screen. So, you really got to put it at the top. In case you're playing Just Dance, you could put it, right? So that's it for the unboxing of the PlayStation camera for PS4. Please subscribe to my channel, Trinidad Global Game. I bring you all the latest gaming, all latest game footage, online gaming competition, and I'm gonna start doing some unboxing. So keep it locked. You just got Global Game.